For you to read. Open up.
Wow.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What's it got on it?
Fox.
Has Uncle Paul done pictures on it for you? And can you see them? What are they?
A garden.
Ah. Has he drawn Santa Claus? Can you see Santa Claus?
Here it is.
Up at the top near your finger. And there's a mouse.
A mouse.
Is that a good letter?
Yeah.
It's for Emma too. Do you want to show it to Emma?
I proposed my best thing in the car. I made it. See?
What do you want to say to Uncle Paul?
Thank you, Uncle.
Give him a wee kiss.